Good morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, yesterday we have done till question number 6 of exercise 12.2 and today we are starting with the question number 8 of this exercise. Students, question number 7 of this exercise is not there in your syllabus. The reason behind it that because the central angle in question number 7 is given as 120. And all those questions in which central angle is 120 degrees deleted from your syllabus. So question number 8 is a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 centimeter by means of a 15-meter long rope. Then find the area of that part of the field in which horse can gaze and the increase in the gazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meters. So here we are given with two measurements. One is of 5 centimeter, the other of 10. So students, as you can see in the figure, the horse is tied at one corner of this field. So the area of the field will become the area of a quadrant. So its formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. In case of quadrant, theta is 90. Here r is given as 5. We will substitute both the values in the formula and simplify it. So on simplification, it comes out as 19.625 meters square. Next part 2. When its rope is 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. So here the formula again changes to 90 over 360 into pi r square. Here r will reduce to 10. So that means our formula will be 1 by 4, 3.14 into 100. That is 78.50 meters square. Next is the increase in the gazing area. Now the increase will be given by the new area minus the previous area. So that is 78.50 minus 19.65. So it comes out to be 58.875 meters square. Hence this much area will be more gazed by the horse if its rope length is 10 instead of 5. Next, question number 9 is a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Then find the total length of the silver wire required and the area of each sector of the brooch. So students, here the silver wire, as you can see, is coiled all around the circle. So that means circumference is required. So here diameter is 35 so radius becomes 35 by 2 Now total length of the wire, that will be 5 into with the diameters because 5 diameters are there plus the circumference of the circle. So it becomes 5 into 35 plus 2 pi r, that is circumference. So that is 175 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2. On simplification it reduces to 175 plus 110, that is 285 Next is the area of the each sector. Students, as you can see, total sectors made by these 5 diameters are 10. So hence each sector will make an angle of 360 by 10, that is 36 degree at the center. So next we are applying the area of a sector with theta as 36 degree and r as 35 by 2. So here it reduces to 36 over 360 into 2 pi r square. So that is 1 by 10 into pi into 35 by 2 whole square. On simplification we will get the values as 1 by 10 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. So that reduces to 385 by 4 millimeter square. So that is the area of each sector. Now next question number 10 is, an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced as you can see in the figure. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So here we need to take pi as 22/7. So students, here radius is 45 and total sectors are 8. So that means the area at the center will be 360/8, that is 45 degree. Next we are going to find the area between the two consecutive ribs, that is the area of sector only, with theta as 45 and r as again 45. So substituting the values in the formula, it reduces to 45 over 360 into pi r square, that is 1/8 into pi 45 square. So this reduces to further 1/8 into 22/7 into 45 into 45. On calculating this, we will get the value as 22275 over 28 centimeter square. That is the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Next question number 11 is, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Here pi is to be used as 22/7. So here the angle that is swept is 115 and radius is given as 25 centimeter. So that means area of the sector made by the wiper will be given by 115 over 360 into pi r square. Here we are going to substitute r as 25. So it becomes 23 over 72 into 22/7 into 25 into 25. That is 158125 over 252 centimeter square. So because we are given with the two wipers, so total area that they can swipe will be equal to 2 into this whole value. So that reduces to 158125 over 126 centimeter square. So that is the required area of the sector. Students, next question number 12 and 13 I am giving as a homework, which were just similar to these questions that we have done today. So do try these questions by yourself. So next we will be starting with the exercise 12.3, which is again the combination of figures, in the next session. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class, and if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.